Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and we've been offering worry-free lawn health programs and landscapes for years. Now we're pleased to be offering worry-free irrigation too. We found that out of all the homes we take care of, the ones that water correctly have the best looking lawns and landscapes and the fewest problems. When we have calls asking about stunted plants, bare spots in the parkway, too many weeds in the spring, or it's spring and my neighbor's lawn is green but mine isn't, most of the time, those are watering issues, and most of the time, the homeowner didn't even know they had a problem. Poor watering is the cause of most of the problems we see in landscapes, so that's why we're offering 3 different sprinkler packages. We have our 3-visit starter package, our 4-visit premium plan, and our elite 6-visit plan. We'll set your controller for the proper minutes, check through your system to make sure it's working properly, and let you know if we found any issues. Repairs will be done at our normal charges. Our service plan members will enjoy premium pricing on repairs and premium scheduling if problems come up in between visits. You don't have to worry anymore about, am I watering the right amount or are my sprinklers working right? All of our irrigation packages complement our lawn health programs. They maximize the investment in your total lawn and landscape health, and most important, they give you the worry-free lawn and landscape experience, which is always our goal. This is Ken with Village Green, your local lawn and health landscape experts.